It's a Saturday but I'm here working kasi ang dami kong pending na work and kailangan ipasa ang grades. Minsan lang naman siya pag medyo patapos yung semester. So, not complaining, I'm just saying. So, makinig lang kayo, huwag na kayo judge. Hi! Sunday natin ang girls today. Pakatagal. Lagi na lang nagpapahintay. Oh my gosh. So, atras na tayo para makalabas itong car niya. Oh,
hello vlog!
Mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko. Yan. Nagpalit na po tayo ngayon ng driver. Kami ay magsha-shopping. Kasi kapag kami ay nabobore, kami ay gumagastos. Kala mo talaga no? Ang sarap lang pakinggan pero
Goodwill pala.
Hindi ka nag-subscribe sa YouTube ko?
Hindi pa.
Nako, like and subscribe. Hit the bell button. Charing.
Bell bottom pala.
Preparing for New York. We're doing thrift shopping today to score some clothes that I can use for New York. Ganda ba?
Suot mo nga para makita.
Yan. Kari lang. Kari lang. Kuning ko.
Over na yan. Sa agad?
Automatic ba to? Halika na. Saan tayo bibiling drinks natin, Lovejoy?
Dutch Bros!
Aming paboritong, ang paborito ng bayan na Dutch Bros.
Dahil nasa harapan ng
Ross. Diyos ko po, ang mga sister ko, nakakailang goodwill na kayo be today?
Dalawa lang naman yung
Dalawa lang naman yung goodwill dito. Pero napunta mo lahat. Kumbaga sa percentage, 100% ka. Tapos ito ka sister, busy mag-book ng aming shuttle pabalik from Vegas to here after namin mag-New York. Tapos na tayo mag-shopping today. Magkano ang damage?
Hindi ko alam siya.
Si Lovejoy, mahina dyan, $200 sa isang labas. Itong ating driver, $500 yan. Ako. So ngayon, kailangan namin ayusin. Labhan yung mga binili sa thrift shop.
Sabi ka maglalaba?
Hindi, meron na kaming washer. Masyado mo naman kami inaapi. So maglalaba na kami ng mga binili sa thrift shop para makapag-ayos na kami ng aming daily outfit. Si Lovejoy nakaayos na. Ako hindi pa eh.
Ako hindi pa.
Hindi ka pa rin. Iba talaga to. Gold person. On our way home from our final preparations for our New York trip. Ngayon, kailangan na natin, actually ang dami pang kailangan gawin. Kailangan ko pa maghanap ng maghahatid sa akin sa Vegas Airport on Saturday kasi hindi kami magkakasabay pumunta dahil meron pa akong rehearsal ng Saturday morning. I can only leave after my Saturday morning rehearsal. So, yeah. was such a tiring day, pero 3 p.m. pa lang. So, the rest of the things na kailangan kong gawin today is magtupi ng mga damit na nilaban ko this morning and last night. And then, kailangan kong mag-grade ng papers because it's the last week before spring break. So, my goal is before I fly to New York, kailangan tapos na lahat ng papers na kailangan kong gradean. Or else.
Church stands tall, a reminder of what once was. Each time I see one of these churches, I often wondered what it was like without the trikes and fast food chains. Off to the corner, I spot Betsy's, not as ancient, but a landmark nonetheless. The layout is simple, desserts to the front and a turo-turo selection at the back. They must get busy at lunch. Lucky for us, it's early. Too early, the owner tells us. She's the namesake of the restaurant. I came determined for a box of proas, sponge cake lady fingers with a buttercream filling. She obliges and tells us to come back later for more food.
Can we get a box of 12 proas, please? Okay, I'll try one now. And then I'm gonna take a...